Hey everybody, Don Dabney from Left Coast Classics, and this is just a beautiful 1972 Jaguar E-Type V12. And in this video, I'm going to take you under the car, I'm going to take you around the car, but right now I'm going to take you for a ride in the car, so buckle up. I just love the way these V12s drive. I love the low compression, big monster engine. It's just so strong and stout feeling. And the fact that it's a coupe makes it much more rigid, so the handling's just terrific in these cars. It just gets up and goes. It's got a ton of bottom end power. We're up to just about 70 miles an hour, 65 now. I can only go so fast. And everything's just working beautifully in the car. It has a retro sound stereo added with an extra plug-in, so you can, have an auxiliary input for your phone or whatever. Air conditioning's nice and cold, heat's nice and hot. All the gauges are in good working order. The choke's great. Just pull it out in the morning, car starts right up, warms up and gets up and goes. Just smooth as butter. I've driven every Jag imaginable. I also own a 63 Mark II, and I love them all, but I really love the way the 12-cylinder cars feel when you drive them. They're so quiet and solid and strong. And this one is really nicely put together. I mean, the leather is just beautiful. The dash, the headliner, everything in here is just stunning. All right, so there you go. There's going to be, well, I'm not sure where you're seeing the car, but on my website at leftcoastclassics.com, there's all those photos that you're seeing wherever you're seeing them, but there's also an additional couple hundred photos in the slideshow area. You're probably up on our YouTube channel now. We're somewhere around 8 million views on my YouTube channel, which is pretty cool. Check us out on the social media sites. I don't post a lot, but I do a little bit, so if you want to go follow us, that'd be cool. And check me out, 3 episodes of Wheeler Dealers so far. In 2013, we did this 1957 Ford Thunderbird back in the Ed China days. And then 2018, a 72 Lancia Fulvia. Mike came up to buy a Rover 3500S. We both have a thing for those. Ended up leaving with a Lancia. And the most recent episode was a really cool one-owner Triumph TR4. We just filmed that last summer. That aired late December 2020, so check that one out as well. All of them up on Motor Trend. And give me a call if you have any questions. My number's down there somewhere. If you could like and subscribe and hit the notification. We're trying to get our subscription numbers up on my YouTube channel. It's fun because you get to constantly drive around in different cars with me. All right, thanks for checking out this beautiful E-Type, and call me anytime. All right, let's head underneath the XKE. See, it just got very nice floors and it's very structurally sound under here. It's an older restoration, so expect some wear and tear and a couple bruises, but overall it's in nice shape. Very nice floors. It's going to be a little glary over here, but these are also equally as nice as the other side. There you go.